now I'm gonna come in with some blueberry pie filling, and we're gonna grab our scooper because we're making scoops, and we're gonna do 1 scoop of blueberry pie filling in each of our little cakes, just like this. This dessert is gonna be so delicious. My husband actually made this up, and I am doing a little version of it. I love blueberry pie filling. It's my favorite pie filling. But you could use whatever pie filling you like. You could do some apple because the apples are in season. You could do cherry. Everyone loves a good cherry pie during the holidays. But we're gonna do blueberries, and you will see why. Oh my goodness, look at these mountains of pie filling. This is gonna be so decadent. Okay, let's quickly get our pie filling right in there. And it looks like we only need 1 can. I thought we would need 2 cans of pie filling, but 1 can is going to do it. Don't these look good, babe?
Wow, yeah, you're definitely doing my recipe some justice.
And these little cakes are just like found in the bakery section of Walmart or your local grocery store. I've seen it at both.
Literally everywhere.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna move this to the side, and I'm gonna grab a bowl and a spatula, and I'm coming in with lemon pudding mix. So this is the instant pudding. It's not lemon jello, it's lemon pudding, and we're gonna use 2 boxes of our pudding right in there. Oh my goodness, because lemon and blueberry is the best combo. What do you think, babe?
Man, I'm thinking it might be better than mine.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Okay. Once we have our lemon pudding in there, I'm gonna grab some whole milk, and we are going to add a generous amount.
Oh, look at the color.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice and yellow. I did about 1.5 cups of that pudding mixture. Use our spatula to kind of just get that pudding dissolved into that milk. Oh my goodness. The lemon scent coming from this pudding is just so incredible. I love lemon everything. You guys know, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I eat lemon desserts almost weekly. I make them weekly. They are just too good to pass up. Okay.
Sickening.
Yeah, once we get it kind of thick, we're gonna add our Cool Whip.
Extra creamy.
Yeah, I love the extra creamy because it thaws quicker than the traditional. And you guys know I love things quick and easy. Okay, get that whole container in there.
Wait, is that why you love me?
Sure. Okay, go ahead and fold in that Cool Whip. All right, you guys, so we are gonna go ahead and transfer this to a piping bag. All right, now that this is in a piping bag, let's go ahead and grab our little cakes with the blueberry back. Woo! Okay, now we need to cut the tip off of our piping bag. Nothing too big, just like right about there.
Oh,
beautiful.
That was too big.
No, it wasn't. Okay, and then we are gonna go in on our little cakes and do a nice little piping right there, just like that.
Oh, it's perfect.
Yeah. Look how delicious this looks. Okay, get a nice amount on each one. We got that lemon blueberry thing going on, and that's gonna make everyone happy. All right, beautiful. And look, we have so much extra. Oh, I'm gonna save that for later. Okay, now I know you guys are thinking, it's missing something, and this is what it's missing.
Oh,
blueberries.
I would have never thought to put that on top. It's crazy.
Okay, I'm gonna do like two blueberries on top. You could even do like some lemon zest on top. However you wanna top these, go for it. You could do a little Christmas sprinkle if you're making them for Christmas. You could do, you know, whatever you want. Just have fun with it. I think that's the best thing about baking, is that you can just be in your kitchen, make whatever you want, you know, and just have fun. I don't think that anyone should judge anyone that's in the kitchen trying, anyone that's in the kitchen just, you know, enjoying themselves, because like, we just need more of that in the world. We just need some peace.
Just some love, right?
Yeah, and some love. So let's not judge. Let's just eat and enjoy. Let's have fun, and let's eat these desserts, okay? Almost done here. I'll get these blueberries on here. Woo, look how cute they are.
Super cute.
Does the 2 look good? Yeah?
Yeah, two looks perfect. I
Okay.
think if you did one, I would want more blueberries. So.
Right? The fresh blueberries. And then,
Plain.
all right, so it's time to try one of these. We have the perfect plates. Let's get a fork and let's take a bite. Oh, lemon,
I want to see the inside.
blueberry,
Oh, wow.
little pastry cake.
Is it good?
That's so good.
Nice. Good job, babe.
You guys gotta try it.